Nonetheless, this is a video to show you guys what I've got. I've got them right here, some CCW classics, 18 by 11.5 in the rears. Unfortunately, CCW doesn't provide their offsets. They're all custom, but it'll be going on her. She's currently on bags. The battery's charging because I really want to take her out for a drive tomorrow. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing, open these up, and hopefully we'll like what we see. Thanks for coming along. I just got this whole setup ready. This is up on a metal stool that I've got prepared, just holding the weight for it. But as you can see, it's pretty large, pretty wide. I don't know which one this is. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and slice this bad boy open with one of my Kershaws and see what we got here. That brushed aluminum face is gorgeous. Holy shit. I mean, this is phenomenal. Let's go ahead and keep opening this up and see what we have. All right, guys, we've got it done. The wheel is fabulous, and clearly, as you can tell, it's really clean. I mean, this is phenomenal. I love it. That brushed aluminum face, I opted to have clear coated. Looks fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wheel. I mean, look at the meat on this tire. It's generous, right? It's real nice. Polished inner lip. Full polished outer lip, and these Toyo Proxies 888R are just gorgeous. I mean, they probably don't have a long life, probably 10 to 15,000 miles, especially with the way I drive. All right, so one thing I wanted to point out is this polished inner barrel, and as you can see, I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, the attention to details, I mean, what can I say about it, right? Everything looks pristine, and this is just the inside of the wheel. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over. And wow. What do you guys think, man? Hope you like them. I've never seen a set of wheels machined to precision like this. I mean, it's from another world, man. Like I said. And my dad was a machinist for years. You know, this is something he would really appreciate, I think. It's just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. So now that we got that covered, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Big thanks to the guys at both Vivid Racing and CCW. And I really appreciate you guys taking time watching this video. Obviously, it's not meant to be anything professional. It's just for fun. It's just to connect with y'all, and I hope you enjoyed it.